Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Aiza's Taste Buds. Today I'm sharing the recipe of pav with bhaji. So let's see how to prepare this. Here I've taken 1.5 teaspoon of active dry yeast. To this I'm adding 3/4 cup of warm milk and half teaspoon of sugar. Mix this well and keep this covered for 5 minutes, which will active the yeast and this will help in proofing the bread. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of maida, 1 teaspoon of salt and the yeast mixture. Mix everything well and knead this for 5 minutes until you get a soft dough. To this add 2 tablespoons of softened butter and continue kneading for 3 more minutes. Mix all the butter very well with the dough and continue kneading until you get a very soft dough. Dough is ready here. Cover this and keep in a warm place until it doubles in its size. Before baking, grease your baking tin with some oil or butter so that the bread can easily come off the tin. Here the dough is doubled in size. Punch the dough and remove all the air bubbles and knead this for 2 more minutes. Take a small portion of the dough, roll this into the shape of a ball and place this in a baking tray. Brush each dough with milk and cover this and keep in a warm place for 10 to 15 minutes. Once this proofs, bake this in the preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. After baking, brush the pav with some butter and keep this covered for 5 minutes. Remove the pav on a plate and you can serve this with bhaji. Let's move on to the preparation of simple bhaji. For this I have taken 1 medium sized carrot, 10 to 15 French beans, 1/4 cup of green peas, 10 to 12 florets of cauliflower, 1 medium sized potato. Pressure cook this by adding 1 cup of water for 3 to 4 whistles. When the vegetables are fully cooked, smash all the vegetables using a ladle. Here the vegetables are ready. Our next step is to prepare the masala base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute this for a minute. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and fry until it turns brown in color. When onion turns brown, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped and cook until it is mushy. When the tomatoes are fully cooked, add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala, 1.5 teaspoons of salt and mix well. To this add mashed vegetables and cook this for 5 more minutes. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please press the red subscribe button and the bell icon. Our bhaji masala is ready here, garnished with few coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons of butter. Before serving, toast your pav with some butter and you can enjoy with bhaji. If you like this recipe, please press the like button and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another recipe. Until then, take care.